I'm not doing nothing wrong. I gave him my license.
In this video, a traffic stop quickly turns tense. Officers pull over a driver, saying he crossed into the opposite lane while trying to pass their slow car. The driver argues he did nothing wrong and refuses to lower his window, insisting it isn't a lawful order. Things heat up as officers order him out of the car, open his door, and grab his registration from the glove box without his consent. Throughout, the driver keeps recording, challenging their actions, and repeating that he knows his rights.
You got a license on you?
Yes, I do. Why you stopping me, boss?
You driving the other stops?
Yeah, because you was driving slow, boss.
Roll the window for my partner?
I don't have to roll the window for him. I'm good. But anyway, you was driving slow. I don't have to roll down my window, boss. So, you want my license?
Dude, yeah, let me get your license.
Alright, but...
And I'm telling you not to lower your window.
I don't have to. That's not a lawful order.
It is a lawful order.
That's not a lawful order. Yeah, you're telling me. I don't have to respond to you. Right or wrong?
You do.
I actually don't.
You don't think so?
Nah, I promise you I don't. Your camera's on? Oh, yeah. All right, but here's my ID. You want my license registration?
Lower the window.
I actually don't. It's not tinted, bro. Bro, I don't have to step out. No, I actually don't. I actually don't, boss.
Step out the car.
I actually don't, boss.
Step out the car.
I actually don't, boss. Like, who you getting out with? Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right. It's on this side, bro. It's right there. Y'all saw him open my door? All right. No, I'll step out. Yeah, go ahead. All right.
What is the back?
It's driving slow and niggas expect me to... I need this perfect diagonal.
Registration. I need the registration for the back.
All right. You should have told me to get that from the front.
Nah, my partner's getting it.
All right, so go ahead, get it. It's on the glove department. And don't search consent, no search or seizure. All right, so let me go get it for you.
Where you going? You're not getting it. Where you going right now?
Oh, all right. You're not allowed to touch.
Listen to me.
I don't consent no search or seizure. I don't consent no search. All right.
You're doing
I don't gotta tell you, boss.
You don't gotta tell me?
Yeah, I could go get it for you, though. That's not even a lawful order. Put my phone down. You telling me I can't record?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Exactly. You was about to.
I'm telling you to put your phone down.
All right, I don't have to put my phone down. It's not a weapon. No, I don't have to. I don't have to. Yo, bro. You know, that's illegal. That's illegal what you're doing right now.
You need to relax. Calm down.
Nah, because I'm already irritated and you was going slow. I was driving a 15 behind you. All right, I like that vibe. All right, go ahead. Do what you gotta do. I wasn't against traffic. There was nobody in front of me. And you're not allowed. I don't consent no search. I don't consent no search and seizure. I'm gonna get it for you. You want me to get it for you?
No, because I don't know what
you're doing. All right. Search. Look in the go look what you can look. All right. I don't have to. That's not a lawful order, boss. It's not a lawful order. Oh yeah, even better. The main guy. I don't consent no search or seizure. Besides catching real criminals, right?
Listen, bro. There's rules. That's it.
Yeah, it's rules, but you was driving slow, boss. I had to go over you. Come on. Like, I didn't do nothing illegal. I wasn't driving fast. I passed you and drove regular. Yeah, I know. Yo, I don't consent no search and seizures, yo. I could go get it for yourself. All right, I could have got it for you when I was in the car. But you wanted to take me out for what reason? I didn't have to lower the window. It's not a lawful order. Come on. Don't worry. I want your badge number and your badge number, and I want your card. No, I want your card and your badge number. All right, repeat that. What's your thing? I didn't hear you. Yeah, it's not on video. All right.
What's your registration? I can't find it.
All right, bud. I respect it. Is this what you're looking for?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
I know I could have got you. Whoa, don't talk to me like that, bro. Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that. I don't have to do what you say. It's not a lawful order, bro.
Where you went? Right to the back of the car.
All right. All right. Is my window down?
Appreciate you.
Is my window down?
Yo.
Exactly.
You take your hands out of your pockets?
Bro, I don't got nothing. I did this. I didn't even put my hand in my pocket. I put it in my pants. 10297. What's your name? Murphy. You blocking. Can you tell me your badge number, please?
14853.
I could have got it for you, but I didn't have to put my window down. Period, bro. Come on. I didn't have to put my window. That's not a lawful order.
It is a lawful order.
No, it's not. To put my window, if it was really tinted, you can even, it's not a law. He was ordering and I don't have to say, yeah. It wasn't a lawful order. I'm telling you right now, bro. I know my rules, bro. Come on.
Who's handicapped?
I already got a lawsuit. I don't consent no searches and seizures, boss. You in there for no reason. Don't worry about it. Bro, is that
the issue was falling down the window?
He told me to roll. I'm talking to him. He told me to roll down my window. That's not a lawful order. That's not a, respectfully, is it a lawful order?
It kind of is.
No, he can ask. And I can say no. He can ask, right? Come on, I'm not. Come on, man.
You told me this belongs to you, but it's not in your name.
Yeah, my fault,
why do you have it?
I don't know what to tell you, man. Unlawful. No. I consent. No search and seizure. I know my. Come on, bro. I know my rights. It was a search and seizure. If he's going inside my car to take out something, that's search and seizure, boss. I like you. Casado Peralta. All right, Murph. Respectfully. All right, man. I know my rights, bro. Come on now. All right, bro. I plead the fifth, bro. I just gave you my ID. Come on now, boss. I gave you my ID. Come on now. He's mad because I went around him. That's it.
You went against the opposite flow of traffic.
Bro, you was going slow, bro.
Doesn't matter. I could be going 0 miles per hour.
All right, and I can't go around you? I'm not allowed to go around you? Come on now, bro. I'm not going against no traffic. I went through the yellow line. That's not going against traffic. I was on that
He's not going against
traffic. It's a
traffic.
different one. All right. I know, but if all right, bad bro. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. All right, y'all got it. Y'all got it. Y'all got it.
Bro.
Y'all got it. Y'all got it. I'm not seeking nothing, bro. Cause at the end of the day, this is a traffic stop.
Bro, you going everything's on camera.
Yeah, I know. This is a traffic stop. This is not nothing crazy, no nothing. Like, boss, can you search me real quick so I can put my hand? Okay, I just want to put my hand. Check this too. Check everywhere, yeah, check that. I just want to put my hand in my pocket, that's all. I'm cool. But he wanted to take me out my car for no reason. I'm not even allowed to get out my car. Respect. I'm not a lawful. You stop me for a traffic stop and you tell me to get out the car for no reason? Come on now.
So just so you know, there's been federal cases, and it has been deemed that anywhere in the United States of America, any police officer while conducting a traffic stop can ask the occupants to step out of the vehicle.
All right.
By ask, I don't mean ask, I mean order you out of the vehicle.
Order me out?
Order you out of the vehicle, and that is a lawful order.
With him opening my door?
If you refuse the first one, yes, he can open your door.
All right, but
and remove you forcibly. This has been through the United States Supreme Court. There's been multiple rulings of this in the case. So that doesn't mean they can search your car, but it means they can ask you for everyone's safety. Because, you know, it's just a weird tactical thing.
All right, but my window is not tinted for him to tell me to lower my windows down. That's not a lawful order. Respectfully, if you're a lieutenant,
Wolowski. Yeah, that is. It's a lawful order because you got to remember, they're on the outside. They don't know if you're by yourself.
No, I totally understand that, but my window is not that tinted. And with your flashlight, come on now. I got y'all saying flashlight in my car.
Not only that, he also has to hear what his partner has going on with you.
I totally respect
you know what I mean? He's got to watch his partner. So
I'm already
how you're doing.
I'm already irritated with me and my girl situation, and then he was going mad slow, boss, 10 miles per hour. I went around him and I drove regular.
Right? No, I understand.
All right,
like,
but
they're driving slow for a reason because they gotta see the streets. They gotta be able to see.
I understand that, boss, but come on. I got family. I got 3 kids, boss. Come on, I gotta do stuff. It's not a car going slow. You flashing the light and they still going slow. You honking on the horn and they still going slow. What you gonna do? You're gonna go around them, right or wrong? Respectfully, come on, you a cop. Come on, don't be like that. I ain't do nothing wrong. I'm not doing nothing wrong. I gave him my license. He went and got my registration. That's a violation. I feel like that's a violation. I don't know if you know that, but I feel like that's a violation. I know my rights. I already got a lawsuit for this stuff. Thank you. I needed another one. I hope you give me a ticket, especially that guy. Respectfully, I thank you for that. I'm mad you ain't stopped me. You would have been more reasonable. Come on. You going slow. I flashed my light. I honked the horn. You still going slow. I went around you. Did I speed? Did I hit 50? Did I hit 100? That would have been a different story. Stopping me for no reason, bro. Damn, I can't spit. Like I told you, I got something wrong with my throat. I can't spit.
Can you hold it for like a few years?
It's right. It's that stays there. It doesn't.
All right,
and I don't like
this. In the same spot. No, bro, right here, the same spot where you did it.
I'm not gonna get a ticket for that. I know you're not setting me up for that though, right?
Why would I set you up? Y'all look like the kind of dude.
Nah, I don't know, man.
I explained to you that you didn't know.
Nah, I didn't know, and I'm asking permission. Can I? Nah, I feel you. I did not know that. Why he takes his time? Can I call somebody?
No.
Can I call?
You can record. Obviously, I have no issue with that. But you can't.
Oh, he tried to stop me from recording. You telling me I couldn't record?
Well, you're not supposed to. If you're already recording, you can continue recording.
All right, well,
they don't want you.
This man right here told me I'm not allowed to record.
I said I wanted to see. I said I wanted to see your hands.
Nah,
I said put your phone down.
Bro, my
phone in the middle of.
Come on now, you wanted to see my hand and I'm like this recording?
Come on, bro.
My fault. All right, my fault.
Video, bro.
I know it definitely is.
Just so you know too.
Bro, my hand was not up when you told me to do that.
What's your name again?
My name is Kevin De La Cruz.
All right, Kevin.
Yes.
So you know.
And I told you I would go get it myself, didn't I? You said no, because you out the car, la la la. And then this guy would have lied and said it was already open. Right or wrong? Come on now. All right, man. Like I said, I got lawyers for this. man. That's all right. I'm not a street lawyer. It's that I know my rights, boss.
Whose car is this? Whose car is this?
This is my brother's car.
Edges?
Yeah. Come on, y'all researched it up. And that's for him I want him to keep that too. That's an even better lawsuit. You went in my glove department and took it out himself? Is that under my name? Nah, he could tell you himself. It's not under my name. I'm just saying, if he takes it, it's even better for my lawsuit. So I don't care. And when I'm done with this traffic stop, may I please get everybody's car? No problem. Thank you. I appreciate it. Besides yours, Ogando, I fucks with you. I know this shit was gonna take long. Look, you gonna look up, that's all. You'll be on your wish list. Well, I'll tell you.
It's your brother's, right?
I wanted you to keep.
You guys have cars?
Anything else? Oh yeah, let me get everybody's cars, please. Please and thank you.
I just changed my pants, so I don't think I have to. Actually, I should.
I can get my keys in my wallet.
I guess.
No, just make sure. I don't know.
Don't put it in your phone.
Trust me. Please.
Come on, bro. Drop your stuff, man.
Can I please get your car too, boy?
What?
Lieutenant?
I'm alright. It's in the ticket too.
Go ahead. What about your car?
It's in the ticket. It's in the ticket. Name, badge.
Both of y'all name?
I gave you my card, right, bro? Ticket too.
Put it together.
Give me a little autograph. Take my hat too, man. What's up?
I'll definitely will switch it. All right.
By the end, the driver remains firm, demanding badge numbers, cards, and pointing out every move he believes violated his rights. He claims he already has lawsuits against police and sees this stop as another one in the making. Despite the long standoff, the situation ends without arrest. The driver leaves still recording, saying this is proof of officers crossing lines and a reminder of why knowing your rights matters on the road.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.